Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zaskia Audia Prafita and my friend
Nur Hidayati. We are from class 11 Science 2.
and here we will present an explanatory text entitled Erupting Volcano.
Let's start! General statement. A volcano eruption is a natural phenomenon that occurs due to magma deposits in the bowel of the earth. The gas in the bowels of the earth is ejected with enormous force. Volcanic eruptions are one of the most extraordinary and large natural disasters.
Because volcanoes are created with very violent eruptions. There are lots of active volcanoes in Indonesia. As for some of these volcanoes, such as Mount Merapi, Mount Tambora, Mount Krakatau, Mount Toba, Mount Kerinci, and many other volcanoes.
Sequential explanation of cause and effect. Due to the direct relationship with the Earth's plate boundaries, some volcanic activity is closely related to active seismic zones. Among the signs that can be recognized before a volcano erupts is activity. For example, change in temperature and pressure that are quite high at the boundaries of the Earth's plate.
This causes various material in the form of rocks around the volcano to melt. In general, this molten rocks is known as magma or incandescent fluid. The material in the vicinity will be directed by the magma through a fracture that approaches the surface of the earth. The incandescent liquid or magma is formed in the bowels of the earth because the temperature is very hot inside. Then, with these materials, gas will eventually be delivered so that it becomes mixed with magma.
Magma formation occurs at a depth of about 60 to 120 km below the Earth's surface. Then, around the crater there is a magma that contains gas. The location of the magma is under the pressure of the rocks.
As a result of the pressure, volcanoes erupt and release magma. Then the magma released by the erupting volcano flows and exits the belly of the mountain towards the Earth's surface. The magma and gas exploded at the same time.
Then create a hole called the main hole. From this hole, generally there is a lot of volcanic material that emerges. And when the burst is over, the top of the volcano will look like a bowl, which is a crater, while the main hole is at the bottom of the crater.
Volcanic eruptions have both positive and negative impacts on society and life on Earth. The positive impact of the eruption is to make agricultural land more fertile. In addition, the material produced from the bowels of the earth can be used as a livelihood for the local community.
Usually it will be used for water resources and geothermal energy tourism. Meanwhile, the negative impact of the volcanic eruptions can have direct or indirect effect on the surrounding community. The direct effect in question is distress and also a threat to living things.
That is because an erupting volcano can release toxic substances, pyroclastic fluid and hot clouds, while the indirect effects or impacts are lava rains. Plantation areas become damaged and cause several types of diseases, such as respiratory tract and so on.
Interpretation. Therefore, to this day, among the disasters that are quite terrible for the people is the volcanic eruptions.
The intensity of volcanic eruptions can break up islands and create lakes. That was our presentation about erupting volcano.
for less and more, we apologize profusely.
And for your attention,
We thank you very much.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.